Now that you have set up your ChatGPT account, it's time to dive into the exciting world of AI-driven content creation. In this section, we will explore various ways to leverage ChatGPT for crafting captivating headlines, engaging ad copy, social media posts, and high-quality blog articles, as well as optimizing your SEO efforts. Crafting attention-grabbing headlines. The success of any marketing campaign starts with a captivating headline. ChatGPT can help you generate multiple headline options based on your input. Provide a brief description of the topic, target audience, and desired outcome, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential headlines for you to choose from or further refine. Writing engaging ad copy and social media posts. Compelling ad copy and social media content are crucial for attracting and retaining your audience's attention. Use ChatGPT to create concise, persuasive, and emotive text that resonates with your target demographic. Experiment with different prompts and styles to find the perfect tone and messaging for your brand. Generating high-quality blog articles and email newsletters. Producing consistent, high-quality content can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can significantly streamline this process. Input your desired topic, keywords, and any specific points you'd like to cover, and ChatGPT will generate a well-structured, informative, and engaging piece for you. While the AI-generated content may require some human editing, it's an excellent starting point that can save you valuable time and effort. Optimizing SEO using ChatGPT. In addition to generating content, ChatGPT can assist with SEO by providing targeted keyword suggestions and helping you craft keyword-rich content that appeals to both search engines and human readers. By integrating these recommendations into your content strategy, you can improve search engine rankings, drive organic traffic, and increase conversion rates. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool for content creation, it's important to remember that AI-generated content should be used as a foundation, rather than a finished product. Always review, refine, and edit the content produced by ChatGPT to ensure it aligns with your brand voice, meets your quality standards, and effectively communicates your message. In the next section of this course, we will delve into advanced techniques for personalizing your ChatGPT-generated content and fine-tuning the AI model to better reflect your brand's unique language and tone. By mastering these advanced strategies, you can further enhance the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and create a more meaningful connection with your audience.